Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rashmi. Today I'm here with a very interesting topic. A lot of ladies have been approaching me lately asking me to show you guys how to resolve the issue of nasolabial fold lines, okay? These lines which happen as we age, mostly after the age of 40. A lot of ladies or even men start noticing that these lines are becoming really apparent, and especially for ladies it's a bigger problem because once you wear makeup, the makeup kind of settles in the line and it looks not so good. So I'm here with a few solutions for you guys, but you have to be consistent. You have to do this, and over a period of time you will definitely start seeing a difference. The reason why the nasolabial folds appear is because our muscles start to sag, the tissue under our skin. Of course, if we're getting old, so the tissues are kind of relaxing, the collagen is not being formed, and that's why the muscles are relaxing, and so the skin starts to sag, and that's why we have that droopy look. And today I'll share with you a few things that you can do on a regular basis, and that's going to help you with those lines. They will kind of slowly get erased out. But before proceeding with the video, please do thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below, and let's get started. So first thing is face yoga. Okay, there's one specific exercise which I believe is very helpful in kind of reducing those lines. So what you do is you use your tongue for that, and what you do is you take your tongue inside your jaw, your upper jaw, all the way up to the corner of the nose, as far as you can go. Just take it up there, and you will have to move it. You're moving it against the skin, okay, your skin on the outside. You're moving it against the skin like that in circular motions, as if you're trying to erase those lines from the inside. What that's going to do is it's going to build the muscle in that area, and slowly those lines will kind of get erased. So how you do that is you take your tongue and you take it up like this. So you do that 10 times, 10 times, 10 times, 3 sets of 10s each, and you will feel it. You will feel the burning in that area. The added benefit you're going to get is lifted jowls, because this is also the muscles that you're using to do that exercise. And a little bit of help you will get is for the upper the chin area, the double chin area. So when you do that exercise, you will have many benefits, but one main benefit you're going to get is you'll erase the nasolabial fold lines. So how you'll do it, I'll show you again on this side. You just push it out and go in circles. It's going to take some practice because at first your tongue is not trained, so it's going to go here and there everywhere. But once you start doing it on a regular basis, you'll be able to get that round motion and apply as much pressure as you can. You should feel that burn in there. And also you can just do this while driving, while watching TV, while reading a book, or while you're on your phone, whatever. It's so easy and convenient. You don't need any tools or anything, and no one's going to even see you doing it. So just do this all day long, whenever you remember, 3 times, 4 times a day. The more you do it, the sooner you will see results. Second exercise, or actually is going to be an acupressure point, which I'll show you on your face. So once you start doing that, maybe 2 times a day, start with once a day, twice a day, 3 times a day, as many times as you get a chance to do it, or you can remember to do it. Do that and you'll also see a difference. So basically you don't need anything. You just need clean hands and a clean face. Maybe at the night time, first thing in the morning after washing your face, and the last thing at night after you wash your face would be an ideal time to do that. So you need clean hands for that. Your face also has to be clean. And this very corner of your nose, okay, right there where the nose meets the cheeks, that point, that is your acupressure point. So what you're going to do is take your middle finger, sorry, I'm not trying to flip at nobody, and you push that point, and you push that point and you kind of make a small circle right there, and you push it for 20 seconds. And release. Again you do it for 20 seconds and release. Again you do it for 20 seconds and release. 3 sets of 20 seconds. That's what, 1 minute. That's all you need to do. Another pressure point, you just go right below the apples of your cheeks. There's another point right here. So push that. Same thing, circles, just hold it. That will also help kind of lift, this area for you, because those we are massaging these muscles here to wake them up. So that's also 3 sets of 20 each. If you don't have that much time, you can even do just 10 seconds and leave it, 10 seconds and leave it, like just 3 sets of 10s each. So that's the two acupressure points that you can use. Another thing is a massage. I have already showed one massage. I have one massage video on my channel. I will be coming out with more for sure. But in that video, I did show some movements and a couple of easy movements that I can show you, especially for the nasolabial folds. First of all, you do need to apply an oil because you cannot just do it on dry skin. You can use my oil from myGlamUSA. This is 100% pure Moroccan argan oil, which is my favorite. Or you can use any kind of oil which is your favorite: olive oil, almond oil, coconut oil, any moisturizer which is a little slippery. Okay, anything that you like, just use that. Apply some oil and you will go. Basically, I'm just going to show you the action that you're going to do. I'm not actually doing the massage right now, but the action that you'll do is basically you'll just try to pull these muscles up like this. You go like this. So you're trying to pull your muscles up. Once your muscles get pulled up, automatically those lines will kind of disappear. Same thing, you go like this, like this, like this, like this. You're just trying to push the muscle upwards. Okay, so once a day, every single day, at night before you go to bed, do this, just 10 strokes of this action. And then of course, while you are at it, you can do the massage for the whole face. It just takes 5 minutes to do it, so you can do that as well. But this particular action will help you lift or actually erase those nasolabial fold lines. Another action you can do is take your knuckles and hold your cheeks up like this and hold it for 20 seconds and then release. Do this 3 times. Okay, so this also will help you in lifting these nasolabial fold lines away. Okay, so that was the acupressure and the massage. Another thing, very good point I have is, I just released a dermarolling video just a couple of days ago. So this is the dermaroller. Okay, this is a 0.5 mm dermaroller, and you do this once a week on your face. Please do watch the video. I will link it above as well, and I will link it below in the description as well. Go ahead and watch that video, and this is going to really help you with those lines. Any kind of lines and wrinkles on your face that are showing up, even on your neck, dermarolling really helps with lines and wrinkles. That is what mainly it's for: acne scarring, dents and pits, and fine lines and wrinkles. It has many uses all in one. So go ahead and start dermarolling and pay attention on this area, especially once a week. Do this and you will start seeing a difference. In 3 to 6 months, you will start seeing a difference in your skin. Added benefit is you will lose all the other lines and wrinkles. Your skin will start glowing. Your pores will kind of lessen. Okay, it will give you an anti-aging effect. Whatever products you're using, they will penetrate better in your skin, plus your nasolabial folds will disappear. So all that will help. And the very last tip that I can give the ladies is before applying makeup. Okay, I always mention the MAC paint pot or any kind of eye primer, whatever primer you like. My favorite is the MAC paint pot. The color that I use is soft ochre. MAC paint pot, it's an eye primer. That primer, just take a little bit and apply it on that line. Okay, because on the eyes we apply primer to prevent creasing. Okay, from the lines to happen. So same thing, same concept. Use the primer on your nasolabial lines before you start your makeup. Okay, apply the primer, then lightly dust, very lightly dust it with powder, with a brush, with some loose powder and a brush, or any kind of powder that you have. If you don't have a brush, just use a puff. Okay, and just kind of set that primer very lightly. Don't go heavy, because after that you're going to be putting on your foundation and then you don't want it to get cakey underneath with the powder on. So just apply the primer very lightly on your lines, then set it with powder, and then apply your foundation and go about your routine normally as you would. And that will prevent that creasing from happening a few minutes later or few hours later, however fast it happens for you. So that is one good tip from me for the makeup side. But try to work on these other tips and try to, erase them so you don't have to deal with the other stuff. So I hope that this video was helpful, and please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below. If you have any questions, please do comment down below and let me know, and also suggest me what other kind of videos you would like to see from me. And until next time, I'll see you all. Bye bye.